Chairman of the party, Sister Angela Burke. Region Big Man, Dennis. Jensek, the bad man. I know him from there, I'm in charge, you know. And I saw him go on, you know. But me have your back. MP Julian Robert. You have been a tower of strength with me throughout this week. I love that. My councillor candidate, namesake Riba, same better looking than me. No fool the man, fool man. But the next time him go before the councillor thing, him a come with our wind. Because him a quality. But let me say, comrades, Jamaica, friends, family that are here, I am happy for the opportunity that I got from our comrade leader, Mark Golden. I have gotten this opportunity to finish a work that I started in this place as a policeman. And no other way to do it than as a part of the People's National Party. Now, I created an image for myself, a brand for myself in the Jamaica Constabulary Force. 41 years. I made a face, a name, and a voice, and the people love that. I am not going to change. The only thing that has changed is that I've changed the color. And I've made it a little bit more personal in that I have become a member of the People's National Party. So, I am saying to all those who love Steve and believe in Steve, come with Steve. Don't care what color you have on. From you did love Steve, continue loving Steve, and come with Steve. All right? So, at that, may I say, there's one other thing that I must deal with. There's a situation that has to do with Comrade Rowe. And I want to say thanks to Comrade Rowe for holding the seat for me until I came here. Thanks. But I want to lighten the situation with the Olympic Games. And if you guys follow Olympics, the team that qualify the relay to the finals is not normally the team that runs in the final. I want to follow me, you know. But guess what? You see, when the team win the finals, everybody on the team get a gold medal. I want to say, because I am the Usain Bolt and kind of relay. When we get that medal, there's a medal for everyone, to include Comrade Rowe. If he stays on the love train, in this week, I am going to make effort to sit and speak to him. Because you know, say, I'm not afraid of nobody. I'm going to watch your face. I'm going to sit him down and I'm going to talk to him. And I ask him some questions. If he's still a comrade, make we talk. I'm not say nothing more about that. All right, the other thing now is that some people say the PMP bring me from outside for come a Central Kingston. It means that them don't know McGregor. I was born in a place named Moortown, Portland, the biggest maroon settlement in Jamaica. You know the place where them say Nanny Bar and the lady will catch the rare. That is where I am from. If you don't know maroon people, we're not afraid of no face. I came to Kingston at age 6. I lived in Dunkirk, in Swan Lane. Went to basic school on the same lane. I went to Franklin Town Primary for 6 years. I got monies from Marjorie Taylor from crash program work. When my mother give me money for go to school, me say me have lunch money already. Marjorie Taylor was the councillor under Michael Manley. I went to Kingston College and it not stopped there, you know. The Commissioner of Police in 2010 sent me to this central Kingston and said them want a man for change the place because after the 2010 incursion the place is gone. Me and my team brought murders from 68 to 18. That has never happened. And the kind of relationship that we ironed out with the people of Kingston Central is second to none. If you can remember, those of you, the dances that we had in the central place, lock up the place, everybody lock off the bar and come at the thing. We're going to make that work, ladies and gentlemen. When I become the next MP for Central Kingston, comrades, we are going to start a round-robin kind of initiative with the 9 communities. Each community will send a project to me that they are going to use the funds from to do. So we are going to have Love Train Sundays, Tel Aviv edition. Love Train Sunday, Top Road edition. And that's how we are going to do it once every month. And every community within this constituency will go to each one and bless them up. Guess what we are going to do? That way they will build the vibes. So it's not about just winning an election. I am coming here to make more Steves. I used to run through the gully barefoot, race both ass, just like anybody, but I listened to my mother and I made something of me, myself. And listen what? The next Prime Minister gave me an opportunity to make some more, Steve. We are going to do it. The president of the Football Association called me this morning. And Mr. Ricketts says, Steve, I am going to help you to do the same football program that you are doing with the thing. So for the same communities, we are going to have the program and we are continuing to build the thing with them. Listen to me, comrades. I am here. All I want of you is to believe in Steve. Join the love train. The time come. What am I say? The time come. Blessings, blessings.
Comrades, I want a better applause than that for your next Member of Parliament.